Hello everyone, in this video we will begin learning HTML, and to learn HTML or to follow this course you need just a text editor and a browser. You can use as a browser Google Chrome or Opera or Safari or Firefox or any other browser, and as a text editor you can use Notepad++ or Atom or Visual Studio Code. I recommend Visual Studio Code as a text editor because it's really great, and you will just learn everything that you need as a web developer. With Visual Studio Code you will not need any other text editor, but of course it's your choice. I will use Visual Studio Code in this course. You will find the download link in the description. You can go to code.visualstudio.com and click on download for Windows, or choose your operating system, Mac OS or Linux. I have Windows, so I will click download for Windows and it will begin downloading it. I will cancel that because I downloaded it already on my PC, and what you have to do is just double click on the downloaded file and click next, and it will be installed on your PC. And to start Visual Studio Code, search here for VS Code and click open. It will open that screen, and if you want to change anything you can go to settings and change the theme or anything you want. And to create a new file, click on new file. To open a new window, click on new window. To open a folder or a file you can choose from here, and this is save and save as and save all. And in the next lesson we will learn some HTML and how to print paragraph on the browser. See you in the next video.